Just got this one in on trade, XT5. Check it out. This is a 2017 Cadillac XT5 in the Premium Luxury package with the up-level 20-inch polished wheels. Pearl white in color. This would be iridescent pearl TRICOAT. Nice set of Michelin tires. This is going to have factory remote start, front and rear parking assist, side blind zone alert with rear cross traffic alert. This has 36,513 miles on it with the black leather interior, panoramic sunroof with power shade, second row bench of course, all-wheel drive model, Bose stereo system, power liftgate, seat memory, push button start, heated steering wheel. This one does have heated and cooled seats, factory navigation and projection with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This one does have a wireless charging station, standard lifetime powertrain warranty with 10 years roadside assistance. We sell a ton of these, so if you'd like to know more, give me a call at 800-642-1566. Thank you.